Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Today we are talking about why should you take a test drive and what are precautions to be taken and what all you should check when you are doing a test drive for a new car or a used car. Number one, make sure that you shortlist one or two cars for selecting which one is the best. Then make sure that you test drive the car at least 2 to 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers in the area you drive, the regular road what you use with bumps and all. Because normally the showroom guys have a pre-described road where they take you this in front of the showroom and get back to you and put it in the car back at the showroom. You should drive the car in a bumpy road, in a bumper to bumper road, in the normal traffic road where you can check the car viability and feasibility for you and your family, because it should be, that is must. Make sure that the decision should be done by discussing with the family, the entire family, that this car we are finalizing it. So it is a must that we discuss with the entire family and decide which car is best for you. And in the test drive, make sure that the family members are involved and they come along with you for the test drive. Make them feel also comfortable in all the seats, the back seat or the front seat or the last seat, the 7-seater if you're taking up the last seat also. So even look at the elders getting in and getting out should be comfortable. This is a must while you're test driving and checking which car is best. And also make sure that there are no blind spots while you're driving the car. The car should be having your very clear visibility which car you're choosing or which car you're driving. Make sure that there's no blind spots while you're driving. And as well, see that the AC is getting cooled faster and it is sufficiently. Check with all the members in the family that the AC is getting cooled and the AC is reached to all. These are all the precautions and necessary steps to be taken while buying a car or a new or a used car and test drive the car. And make sure that you also see that the car what you're buying should be parked at your parking lot. It is comfortable, the parking is comfortable while putting in and taking out of the car from the house. These are the precautions and necessary measures to be taken while test driving the car and selecting the car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.